back to my channel. Happy winter. Yes, the winter tundra has arrived here in Dallas, so that is why I'm wearing my amazing unicorn explosion rainbow of the universe sweater, which I know a ton of you probably want. Guess what? Express still has it. I will link it below. And if you're anything like me, color makes you happy. Just as happy as my FabFitFun box. You guys don't know how disappointed I was that I had to miss the fall FabFitFun add-ons. You guys know how hyped I get every time FabFitFun comes around, but I was taking a serious YouTube hiatus, so I had to miss out on that. The good news is I'm back for the winter box. And if you guys remember previous winter boxes, they're one of my favorites. Fall and winter are my favorite boxes. And if you guys are unfamiliar, you literally were born yesterday because FabFitFun is even on TV now. I have been partnered with FabFitFun for years now. I look forward to this box. It's one of the few subscriptions that I stay subscribed to. I mean, I've been through many a subscription. I've been around the block a few times, and this is one of the ones that I continue to support and love. And I think one of the reasons why I like it so much is because I find it so useful. It's one of those boxes that only comes quarterly, so you're only gonna get it 4 times a year. It's a seasonal box. It's $49.99 a season. However, if you've been on the verge of trying it and you haven't yet, I do have a discount code for $10 off, which I will leave in the description box below of this video. It is not affiliate, I'm not making commission. However, it will make you happy. So today we're here with the winter box, and if you guys don't remember, FabFitFun only includes full-size products. Most of the time they partner up with women-founded companies or charities, philanthropic organizations, which is probably one of my favorite things about this box. Fitness, beauty, wellness, fashion. I mean, they cover all topics when it comes down to all that stuff that makes us happy. So we're going to open the winter box, and this box is particularly heavy and thicker than normal. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm kind of excited. I've had this box for like 3 weeks and not getting into it with tweezers. Sorry about that mini earthquake. With tweezers, like I customarily do. You know, it's tradition around here. If you're new here, welcome. This is the land of Coffee Break with Danny, where our intros are everything but short, to the point, and concise. We don't do that around here. We talk about my sweater. We talk about like Wesley in the background hanging out. We talk about, hey, there's a whole new background behind us right now, and I hope you guys are digging it as much as I am. So this box is in support of the women's Alzheimer's movement. You can see that at the bottom corner, and I'm sure that when I open this up and you look inside, they're gonna explain all the details of what that means and how they are helping out. So every quarter it comes with, it looks like a magazine. It breaks down how the box works. So every person that subscribes to FabFitFun will get a few of the same exact products, but you can also customize your box. So Sam and I both get FabFitFun, but we get different things because we get to choose what we want. I'm pretty sure I said I wanted either a blanket or slippers or something, and there were different options of the things you could get. What's going on back there? Oh, you wanted a different bed. All right, so we have preferences here. So his beds are customizable too. And so, it's really cool. It'll tell you all the possibilities of what you could have gotten in your box, the prices, and it's well worth it because in like 2 products, you already cover the cost of the box itself. So without further ado, you guys, I'm such a cliche. It comes sealed with a sticker. I always love to show you guys the fact that there's a sticker so you know that homegirl waited to open this up. So let me show you guys what's in this box. And I really don't want to bore you with price and stuff like that because you don't care. You just want to see what's in the box. But if you were to subscribe, it will always tell you the price of everything, the brand, all of that stuff. So you kind of are like, oh, yeah, that definitely covered the cost of my box. You guys, curiosity got the best of me, and I was like, why is Maria Shriver on the cover of this little handout? And I realized it's because she actually founded the Women's Alzheimer's Foundation. There's a quote in here that really stuck with me. It's actually quite lovely. It says, women have worked for centuries to be recognized for our minds, and now we're losing them to Alzheimer's. I don't know why that made me emotional. I've been so emotional lately. I think it's the holidays. Come winter time, you guys, I'm like, oh my God, it's that ASPCA commercial again, and I cry. Anyway, I'm not gonna bore you guys, like I said, with prices, but if you do want to know, I will list my products in the description box below this video. And if you want to sign up, you probably want to do that right away, because a lot of this good stuff gets picked first really quickly. The first thing that I see here is something that I already have and I'm already a huge fan of. Ramona Color Switch, the original brush cleaner. So this is a, let me actually show you guys mine so that I don't open this one. This is such an awesome product that I don't need another one, and I want someone else to know how awesome it is. So I'll probably give it to my mom, one of my friends, or whatever. But let me grab mine. So the magic of this little guy is it has this little foam sponge in the center, and you could basically use the same eyeshadow brush, blush brush, any kind of brush, the same brush, multiple colors, just by swishing it in here. Mine's clearly used. You just swish it up in here and you can go from color to color without any sort of color transfer. You guys, it's crazy. You could go from black to like a matte vanilla eyeshadow and it's not going to transfer color. It is awesome. So this was one of the items that I actually customized or chose, and I was like, someone in my life needs this in theirs. So I got that. Another thing that I got, how many of you guys have a girl crush? I have a few. One of mine, like die-hard girl crushes, is Allie Webb, the founder of Drybar. I love her. I follow her on Instagram. She follows me back. It's kind of awesome. We're not friends or anything. Well, I mean, in my head we are. I have tried a ton of Drybar products. I am a fan of the dry shampoo. Some products don't like my 3.5 baby hairs. So I haven't actually tried this one. And when I saw it was one of the options, I was like, okay, pay full price or get it in my FabFitFun. Sorry, Allie, but I'm gonna try it in this box. And it is the Pep Rally Detangler. So I have a fiance that is one of the sweetest, kindest, most amazing men in the world. Kind of something TMI, but kind of romantic, is every time I get out of the shower, he brushes my hair. I don't know if he enjoys it, or I don't know if he thinks I enjoy it. I don't know, someone's enjoying it and it's happening. So I thought it would be cool to try a new product and have this prep and detangler. It's a detangler, but it's also a heat protectant. So I don't wake up like this. There's a lot of heat tools involved to get my 2.5 hairs to look like this. So this is a product that protects up to 450 degrees. It also has biotin and vitamin B and C and UV blockers. I think the most damage that I cause to my hair is from heat. But I know if you guys are outside with the UV rays, that also affects it as well. I don't see the sun that often, so I don't need it on that regard. I'm always home. This is another product that I chose for myself. I've really been into the mixed metals trend recently. I feel like there's less pressure on matching. And when I saw this rose gold bracelet, it's dainty. It's totally the type of jewelry that I enjoy. It's small, it's fine, and hopefully it's small enough for my baby wrists. I thought, why not? It's always nice to get something cute, something dainty, like a fine piece of jewelry. It does have Swaroski, just pretend I said it right, crystal in it. So I thought that was also pretty exciting for a FabFitFun box, you know? Something that I got, and I don't know why I got it. I think it was more of an impulse thing, or that I selected, was the original makeup eraser. This is a microfiber cloth that claims to remove all makeup with just water. I have my feelings on that topic. I'm not gonna open it because I don't know if I wanna use it yet to test it out. I do have the halo from that little halo sponge that also removes with just water. And I have a dupe for the makeup eraser. It's leopard print. And I have my thoughts. So I think I want to do something where I use all of them and then let you know how I feel about it. We have the Cuccio Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Okay, so I recently talked to you guys about my hiatus and what took part, why I took it. One of the biggest reasons was because I was mentally preparing for removing my breast implants. So I had explant surgery with en bloc, and fat grafting. Post-op, I could not use any body wash. At first I couldn't because I wasn't supposed to. And then after, my skin all of a sudden became so reactive to things that I was like, you know what? I think I need to try something else. I think I need to try something lighter, something, healthier for my skin. So when I saw this as an option, a body wash that has lavender oil in it and it's supposed to be gentler and also has Epsom salt, I was like, this kind of sounds like something I need right now in my life that I'm not feeling my best, you know, that I'm in recovery. And it's such a funny topic. I'm gonna go into it in depth in other videos. I don't want to delve too much into it right now, but I will talk about it. And it is a little bit oxymoronic in some ways, you know, like I was feeling so bad that I made this big decision to go have the surgery, but now I still feel bad, but it's because I'm in recovery. It's a different kind. Anyway, I'm so happy with what I've done and I'm so anxious to share with you guys, but I want to do it properly. So look out for that series. It's going to start soon, but it's not going to finish for a while because I want to make sure that I give you full before and after. Like, anyway, let's get back to FabFitFun. I also selected this. I remember this being a Paper Source planner, I believe. Paper Source is one of my favorite stores to walk into. Don't let me go to Bonnie Ruth because I will walk next door to Paper Source and buy a bunch of stuff I don't need. Bonnie Ruth is a restaurant that I love. Their mussels are perfection, but Paper Source is next door and I'll come out with like llama toothpicks and cocktail stirrers and a set of invitations for a party that I'm not having, and a bunch of notepads. So Paper Source is a great store. And when I saw that they were offering a Paper Source planner, I was like, I plan so hard that I forget what I'm planning. Do you guys do that where you're so beyond organized, you're disorganized? That is me. So I thought, okay, let me Google what the inside of this planner looks like. That was my first mistake, you guys. So when I Googled it, I saw these tabs. Like, these tabs are my love language. And forgive me, I hope I'm in frame. The holidays are listed. It gives you before and after years so that you know what's going on, and I'm engaged. And so when I saw that it was organized, the tabs are organized by month, but then when you turn the page, you can break down into weeks. That is the kind of organization I need in my life. And this is the type of planning that I do when I'm working on my videos. I like the full month view, but then I also like to magnify into the week and be like, okay, I have the whole month, but let's break it down even further so that I don't get overwhelmed with everything at once. You know what I'm saying? Are you like me? I bet you are a little bit. Okay, then this is where the winter part of the box comes in. And you know I am gonna break into this and I'm gonna put them on because I'm currently wearing slippers right now. And these slippers are from last year. And I don't know if you know anything about me, but soft things, warm things, cuddly things, furry things are all my love languages. And so I get myself fuzzy socks and slippers every year. It was a tradition that my dad and I started. He would do it for me, but then I moved away and it's been a whole ordeal. I'm actually flying home tomorrow and he texted me a picture of pajamas he bought me. So when it comes to warm and cozy, that's my love language. Let me prove it to you right now. Warm and cozy. Warm and cozy. These are my slippers from last year. Look at these suckeritos right here. my whole vibe is gray right now. My whole energy is gray, like the house color combos, like what I've been liking is like this neutral gray. So, I can't show you, you guys. Ow, my body hurts, but there you go. Wait, hold on. Oh, wow. You know, even post-op, look how stretchy and flexible I am. And graceful, like I never lose my grace. So excited about these slippers. I think I'm gonna leave them on. Sorry, Jessica Simpson from last year. You just got upgraded to this beautiful cable knit sweater slipper with fur on it. Speaking of fur and speaking of warm and cozy, the last thing in this box is gonna be something that we fight for in this family, because when it comes down to blankets, the blankets in my bedroom mysteriously disappear every day. I love fleece and I love Sherpa and I love any type of blanket that is, I haven't even told you what blanket this is and I'm ripping into it. This is the Unhide for Love Not Fur. Aw, fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. No animals were harmed in the making of this faux. I do have to say it feels like bunny fur. But anyway, I was telling you guys that we have these warm and cuddly, fuzzy, amazing blankets in our bedroom. And they always mysteriously disappear. Why? Because my two bonus babies are just like me when it comes to fuzzy, warm, cozy, just delicate feeling things. I think that's why we all love Parker so much. He's warm, cozy. He's like a hug. He's a hug personified. You guys, the outside of this blanket is faux fur and then the back side of it is a smooth fleece. So let me show you guys. This is a throw, so it's not gonna be the size of like a bed, but I'm almost 6 feet tall and you can see it covers the entire frame. So it is a pretty large blanket. The color is also super captivating. I love neutrals. As much as I love bright, rainbow, high energy, very powerful statement colors, when it comes down to my home and my preference, the more neutral, the better. I guess I'm kind of boring when it comes to my house. Anyway, that is all that was in my FabFitFun, you guys. I am so excited to have shared with you. I was so bummed out when I had to miss fall, but we're here, we're back. If you guys are interested in signing up for FabFitFun, don't forget that I do have a promo code for $10 off. It's CoffeeDani. I will also list these items in the description box below. You guys, if you have people that you love, they need this for the holidays. Anyway, I will leave a link, the promo code, all of that stuff, the sweater, my lip color, all of it will be listed and linked in the description box below of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye guys.